Assalamu alaikum friend, myself I'm Rahman Rashid. In this video I'm gonna show you a little bit intro about MATLAB, Simulink and Simiscape. First of all, I'm coming back after a long time, so sorry for that. But in this video I'm gonna show you a little bit intro about MATLAB, Simulink and Simiscape. Let's start it. So what is MATLAB? MATLAB is a software. Through it we can generate a different mathematical model, different programs. We can plot our matrices, we can plot a graphs, etc. through MATLAB. And on Simulink we can generate and we can make our project mathematical model easily on Simulink. On Simiscape we can make easily a electrical power plant, mechanical project, mechanical mathematical model, electrical mathematical model we can make easily through Simiscape and Simulink. So let's start it. That is the command window of MATLAB, as you can see that, and this is a workspace of MATLAB, that is a command history. So on command window we can type our code easily, but the disadvantage is that if we type a code, so we cannot erase it through backspace. We have to use a command to erase our code. So this is a disadvantage of command window, but the advantage of new script is that we can type our code easily and we can erase it through backspace easily. This is the advantage of new script. So there are different types of command are used on command window, so I will tell you in my next video which type of command we can use on command window. So on new script, on new that option, so there is a different command like a function, and there is an option of function, and in this function, in this option of function, we can make our function. So with the help of it we can make our function and we can use it in our program. So it will helpful for us, and I will show you how to make a function in my next video, because this is an intro video. This is just an intro video about MATLAB, Simulink and Simiscape. Now I'm going to show you what is Simulink. So that is Simulink mathematical model. That is very easy mathematical model. As you can see that there is a step function, that is display which show the time, etc., and that is the scope which we use in on the output side, and that are the different option of Simulink. You can save our file, you can copy our data screen on Simulink. There are different options. You can change your sampling time through that option, and this is the solver configuration, model configuration parameter. Through it, model configuration parameter, you can change the start and stop time of simulation, and there are the different option which we use in our mathematical model. So you can solve a Arduino, you can connect your Arduino, etc. with Simulink easily through that option. So this is a library, this is a Simulink library. There are different command which we use in our mathematical model, so I will tell you about it in detail in my next video. So this is a source command. This on if you click on the source, so you can see that there are the different command which we use on the input side, and if you click on the sync, so you can see that there are the different command which we use, a mathematical block which we use in our mathematical model on the output side. They are the commonly used block, and that blocks are used normally used in our all mathematical model, etc. So I will tell you in detail and that what is the purpose of that block and how we can use that blocks in our mathematical model. So in my next video I will show you that type of thing. So I'm gonna tell you about a Simiscape. What is Simiscape? So basically Simiscape is also a software. Through it we can solve our mathematical and electrical model easily, because these are the libraries of Simiscape. As you can see that these are the electrical and mechanical libraries of Simiscape. Through it we can solve our mathematical model and electrical and mechanical model easily. So I'm giving you a detailed description about Simiscape in my next video. This is just an intro video. I hope that you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching it. So if you connect with me, you can learn. If you connect with me, so you can learn so many things regarding engineering courses. So subscribe my channel